Ready, right? Okay. What's the source of energy in a food chain? What is the source of energy? What is the source of energy in the food chain? Okay, that is from the sun. Okay, remember? That is from the sun. Okay. Source or comes from, that is from the sun. Okay, remember that is from the sun. Number one is, what is number one? How do you say one in the food chain? It's with letter P. Number one is, sure. Okay, two is, okay, you remember this one? P is, starts with letter P. P. Number one is, no. Prima, what? This one is one primary. Okay, remember one is primary. Number two, second, secondary. Three, okay, that is, what's number three? What's number three? Three is tertiary. Four is, huh? Okay, very good. That is quaternary. Primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary. Please remember that's one. Okay, please remember is the sun is the source of energy for food chain. So in an example, we have grass, grasshopper,
Thank you for attending
frog,
the meeting. You are
snake,
the first
eagle.
participant. Please
How do you
hold.
read this one again? How do you read this one? The grass is eaten by the grasshopper, which is eaten by the frog, which is very good. And the last one, okay, which then eaten by eagle. That's how to read your food chain. Please remember that the arrow tip, where's the arrow tip? This one is the arrow. This one is the arrow tip. Okay, the tip of the arrow. This one here. Always point towards the eater. If this one is the food, that one is the eater. Because, for example, if you're going to make grass, the correct one is this one, right? But if you're going to write as this one, this one is incorrect, correct. This one is the food, right? Food. This one is, okay, eater. If, like this one, the grass is the eater. This one, the grasshopper is the food. Can the grass eat the grasshopper? No. Okay? Please remember this one is wrong. This one is correct. Okay? Did you follow? Yes or no? Okay. Okay, how many producers do we have in the picture? How many consumers? 4. Okay. Which one is the tertiary consumer? Tertiary consumer in the picture. Okay, which one is the primary producer? Primary producer. Grass. Which one is the producer? Grass. Okay? Which one is the primary consumer? Okay, which one is the quaternary consumer? Which one is the secondary consumer? Which one is the secondary producer? Very good. We don't have only primary producer. Okay, primary consumer, that's the first. Primary consumer eats what? Eats the producer. Second, we have the secondary consumer. The second consumer eats what? The primary consumers. The tertiary consumer, or the third, they eat what? Okay, secondary consumer. The eagle, as the quaternary consumer, or the fourth consumer, eats what? Eats the, okay, tertiary consumer. Your eagle, remember that is your top carnivore, or any organism that is not hunted by any other, or they are at the very top of the food chain, or they are the last one in the food chain. Okay, please remember, if you want to take a photo, you can take a photo. Okay, this one, remember this one is terrestrial ecosystem or the occur in the land or in the surface. If we have land or terrestrial ecosystem, we also have what? What do you call the ecosystem in the water? That is starts with letter A. That is what do you call the ecosystem in the water? Starts with letter A. Anybody? Huh? Aquarium? Almost, almost. Qua? What's the answer? Aqua? Three letters. Okay, very good. That is. Who answered? This one? What's your answer? I heard answer. Who answer? Me? Yes, that is aquatic ecosystem. Okay, for example. Okay. Ni, please give me number. Give me one number. 3. Who is number 3? Come here. Okay. You read the food chain in the aquatic ecosystem. Start from phytoplankton.
Phytoplankton, zooplankton,
No, no, no. You read. The phytoplankton is eaten by. Okay.
physic, phytoplankton eaten by zooplankton, zooplankton eaten by small fish.
Which?
Whi-
Use the proper one. The phytoplankton is eaten by the zooplankton, which is eaten by small fish, which is okay from the start.
Which is eaten by
Phytoplankton first.
phytoplankton, eat by zooplankton, which is eaten by small fish,
Yes.
which is eaten by land fish,
Yes.
which is eaten by shark,
Yes.
and then eaten by killer whale.
Okay. Very good. So that's correct. Again, how do you read this one? First, the phytoplankton is eaten by the zooplankton, which is eaten by small fish, which is eaten by larger fish, which is eaten by shark, which then eaten by killer. Wait. Okay, question. Marine food chains start with microscopic aquatic organism called. Very good. That is phytoplankton. Okay, in a marine food chain, they start in a phytoplankton. Okay, these are the phytoplankton here in a bigger picture. Okay, that can perform. What do you call the process of food making in plants? What do you call the process? Starts with letter P. What do you call the process of food making in plants? or the process making their own food. Starts with letter P. That is photo. That is photo. What's your answer? Okay, that is photosynthesis. Okay, that is photosynthesis. Okay, remember that one. That is to make their own food. That is photosynthesis. Okay, we have producer, and those are the consumer. And we have your top carnivore, or the very top of the food chain. Okay, next. Okay, please get your worksheet. The first part of your worksheet. Okay. When you say trophic level, it is the position of an organism occupy in a food chain. So each link in the chain represent on the trophic level. For example, if you're going to on the land base or the terrestrial ecosystem, the first trophic level begins with plants. If we're going to aquatic ecosystem, the first trophic level begins in where? Okay, very good. It is in phytoplankton. So if this is the case, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, please remember that one. First, trophic level. Second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, please remember that one. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, in your worksheet, please answer this one. Which one is the first trophic level? In your worksheet, based on the direction, place the organism in each food chain into the proper location on the energy pyramid. Acorn, where to put the acorn? In the first trophic level. You write it there at the bottom of the energy pyramid. Acorn, squirrel, crow, and coyote, right? So write it there, the bottom of the energy pyramid, acorn. That is the first trophic level in your worksheet. Okay, second pyramid. Bottom, second trophic level. What's the second trophic level in your worksheet? That is squirrel. Third trophic level, we have your crow. And your fourth trophic level, we have that is your coyote. So we have how many trophic level? We have 4. Do we have 5 there? No. Okay. Only 4 trophic level found in your Okay, next. Stay. Okay. You sit down, sit down. As organisms eat one another, blank is transferred up the food chain. What's your answer? Again, as organisms eat one another, blank is transferred up to the food chain. What do you think is the answer? Starts with letter E. No? No? Five letters. No. Six. Six. Ha. What's your answer? Okay, that is energy. Okay, that is energy. Okay, how many percent? How many percent is moved? That is 10. Very good. That is 10. Okay. From 1,000 kcal, 110, 1, and 0.1. Okay, question. Fill in the energy amounts on the pyramid. Second, this one. 1,000 kcal are available for the first trophic level. 100 kcal for the second trophic level. 10 kcal for the third trophic level. How many kcal is available for the tertiary consumer? Again, 1,000 kcal are available for the first trophic level, 100 kcal for the second trophic level, 10 kcal for the third trophic level. How many kcal is available for the tertiary consumer? Okay, you write your answers in your worksheet. Still, you write on the space provided.
เด็กๆ อันนี้เนี่ยมันคือเป็นระดับพลังงานที่เราห่วงโซ่อาหารตรงนี้ว่าเราได้รับเท่าไหร่ซึ่งจากพีระมิดที่เราเห็นใช่ไหมมันเป็นรูปสามเหลี่ยมแบบนี้มันบ่งบอกว่าเฮ้ยพลังงานที่เราได้รับการถ่ายทอดจากผู้ผลิตไปผู้บริโภคลำดับ1 2 3 4เนี่ยมันถูกลดลงไป 10% ยกตัวอย่างง่ายๆสมมุติไอตัวนี้ตั๊กแตนตัวนี้มันกินหญ้าใช่ไหมแต่แทนที่มันจะได้รับไป 100% เนี่ย 90% เนี่ยมันถูกสะสมในรูปของพลังงานความร้อนซึ่งระหว่างที่มันถ่ายทอดเนี่ยมันก็หายไปดังนั้นก็เลยทำให้ได้รับแค่ 10% หลังจากนั้น กบมากินตัวนี้เหมือนกันมันก็ได้รับการถ่ายทอดไปแค่ 10% อีก 90% ก็หายไปในรูปของพลังงานความร้อนนะคะดังนั้นกฎนี้เนี่ยเราก็เลยเรียกว่ากฎ 10% โอเคไหมกฎ 10% มันจะเป็นรูปพีระมิดหัวตั้งโอเคไหมคะดังนั้นข้างล่างตัวอย่าง 1,000 ถ้าสมมุติครูถามว่ามันมีเพิ่มมาอีก1ลำดับเป็นเป็น5ลำดับลำดับที่5จะเหลือเท่าไหร่เหลือ 0.1 ใช่ไหมแล้วถ้ามันเพิ่มไปลำดับที่6เหลือเท่าไหร่ก็จะเหลือ 0.01 ก็คือหาร 10% ไปเรื่อยๆแบบนี้นะอันนี้คือพลังงานที่เราเรียกว่ากฎ 10%
Okay. Okay, the 10% is used to build or to create your biomass as well as to fuel bodily functions in the organism. This means that 90% of the energy is lost, mostly in the form of detritus and as a form of heat from metabolic processes. Okay. First pyramid, we have pyramid of energy. Okay, we have pyramid of energy. This pyramid indicates the amount of blank. What's your answer? Starts with letter E. Okay, pyramid of energy. What's the answer in the blank? Okay, that is energy. So the total energy present in producers, in primary consumer, secondary consumer, and tertiary consumer. Okay? You look at the pyramid from the bottom to top. Okay. The amount of energy always blank as you move up trophic levels. Increase or decreases? What happened to the energy as you move up from bottom to top? What happened to the energy? Does it increase or decrease? Increase, go up. Decrease, go down. What happened to energy? Does it increase or decrease? Increase? Decrease? Okay, that is decreases or decrease. Okay, the energy decreases as it go up from bottom to top. Okay, that is the pyramid of energy. One example here. From 1,000 kcal, 110 and 1. Okay, that is the energy of pyramid. Okay, pyramid of biomass. Okay, When you say biomass, that is the amount of dry matter or without water within organism. For example, total biomass present in producer, primary, secondary, and tertiary. That is in the terrestrial or land ecosystem. Okay, on the land, the amount of biomass blank as you move up trophic levels from bottom to top. Does it increase or decrease? Increase, decrease. Okay, that one is decrease. Okay, please remember that is decrease. Same as this one. But if in the water, in the aquatic ecosystem, right, what happened to the energy? Increase, decrease. Okay, increase. So total biomass, you look at the figure in the aquatic ecosystem. What happened to the pyramid? Okay, what happened to the pyramid? The pyramid becomes inverted. Okay, the pyramid. Remember, if you are in the terrestrial ecosystem or land ecosystem, the pyramid looks like this one. So from bottom to top, the energy increases, decreases. From bottom to top, what happened to energy? Decrease or increase? Decrease. If you're going to have the aquatic ecosystem like this one, what happened to the energy? What happened to energy? Increase, decrease. The answer is increase, right? You look at this one. From the previous one, this is more bigger to become smaller. But this one, smaller become bigger. Okay? So from very small one, it goes up. So the energy or the biomass increases from bottom to top. So one example here is this one, and that is in the aquatic ecosystem. Okay, that is in the aquatic ecosystem. Again, in the pyramid of energy, first trophic level, second trophic level, third, fourth, and fifth, right? For example, if we have 1,000 kcal from the first trophic level, how many for the second? We have, if we have 1,000 kcal for the first, how many for the second? The answer is 100. Third, 10. 1. Okay, very good. That is pyramid of energy. In pyramid of biomass, land, water. If this is the land, bigger to smaller. But if we have in the aquatic ecosystem, like this one inverted, smaller become bigger. Okay, that's in aquatic ecosystem. And we have the pyramid of numbers. Talks about the population of individuals as each trophic level. So the typical pyramid of number decreases as you move up trophic levels. For example, this one. Okay, these occur when many small and numerous producers feed a smaller number of consumer. That is pyramid of numbers. One example, this one. Okay, remember, these occur when many small and numerous producers feed a smaller number of consumer, that is pyramid of numbers. But if the producers are large and fewer in number than the primary consumers, it looks like this one. Okay, it's not the same as it go up. So one example is this one. Again, producers are large but fewer number of primary consumer. So the pyramid looks like this one. But if the producers is small and numerous, that means it looks like this one. But if the producers are large and smaller primary consumers, it looks like this one. Okay, that is pyramid of numbers. Okay, for the last question, which trophic level do you think is the most important for the ecosystem and why? Okay, again, which trophic level do you think is the most important for the ecosystem and why? Is it the first, the second, the third, the fourth, or the fifth? Or all of the above? And why?